I ordered Mary a little something from Elizabeth Scarlett and I thought I'd unbox it with you. Also, in case you don't know, I have a 15% discount link for Elizabeth Scarlett, so if you want to buy anything from them, make sure you use my link because it will get you a whole 15% off. Okay, let's unbox. Actually, before we get started, I'm just going to shout out my dress because I love this. This is the first time I've worn it. It's got giant sleeves, it's got rick-rack detailing, and it's got a giant skirt and pockets. I just love it so much. Oh, and it's from Joni, and I will put the link for that in the description too. Okay, let's get unboxing because it's such a good thing that I ordered. So here is the Elizabeth Scarlett box, and then inside we have the dust bag, and then inside that we have the pouch. So this is one of the personalised pouches. I got it for my daughter Mary, and I just thought it was so pretty. It's made of 100% cotton velvet, and the embroidery really shimmers in the light, and I just love the fact that it can be personalised. I also love the fact that it's embroidered on the front and the back. I think that's such a nice touch. You can use these pouches for literally everything. They can be a handbag, a makeup bag, toiletries bag, handbag organiser, keep your child's nappies or snacks or toys in. Literally everything and anything. They're just perfect. And they just bring a little bit of luxury and glam to every day. I have loads of them and they are such good quality, but I just think the ones which are personalised are super, super special. And I really wanted to get this one for Mary. Speaking of which, here's my little lady. Do you like it? Anyway, that's my unboxing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget... Yeah, what do you think? Anyway, don't forget I have a 15% discount code, which I will put in the description below. Enjoy!